Hi, I am Anna. I am telling you eating raw onions every day can provide numerous health benefits. Here are some of them. So, before I am starting please subscribe my YouTube channel Raza Amaral and please press bell button. So let's starting guys and girls, here's some points. 1. Improved heart health. Raw onions are rich in antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, which have been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease by preventing the oxidation of cholesterol and reducing blood pressure levels. 2. Boosted immune system. Onions are a great source of vitamin C, which supports the immune system and helps protect the body against illnesses and infections. 3. Cancer prevention. Onions contain organosulfur compounds such as allyl sulfides, which have been linked to a reduced risk of certain types of cancer, including stomach, colorectal, and prostate cancers. 4. Anti-inflammatory properties. Raw onions contain quercetin, a natural anti-inflammatory compound that may help reduce inflammation in the body and alleviate symptoms of conditions like arthritis. 5. Improved digestion. Onions are rich in fiber, which can promote healthy digestion, prevent constipation, and support a healthy gut microbiome. 6. Blood sugar regulation. Studies have shown that consuming raw onions may help regulate blood sugar levels by increasing insulin production and improving insulin sensitivity, making them beneficial for individuals with diabetes or prediabetes. 7. Respiratory health. The sulfur compounds in onions have been found to have antimicrobial properties, which can help fight respiratory infections and alleviate symptoms of conditions like asthma and bronchitis. It is worth noting that while raw onions offer many health benefits, they may cause digestive discomfort or heartburn in some individuals. If you experience any adverse effects, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional. Thanks for you are watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel Raza Amaral. I am Anna and take care yourself and also care yours near to your surrounding people. Thanks. Once more again, please subscribe my channel Raza Amaral. Thanks, bye. See you again, love you all.